Yo guys, guess what? We changed our mind. We are not going to go home. We are going to go to some waterfalls. Yeah, you heard it, waterfalls. I'm so fucking tired, but we'll go there. I hope you guys enjoy. It'll be nice. You will see when we get there. It's a nice view then. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
We are going
to the nature's trail.
Nature's trail, man. Fuck, this is not a fucking nature's trail car, man.
Του All Organic Market. Καλώς τον. Τι έφερες, αγάπη μου? Φρούτα από τα δέντρα, λαχανικά από το κήπο, φρέσκο γάλα από την Αγγελάδα και αυγά από το κοτέτσι. Α, ξέχασες να πάρεις γιορτάκι.
Watch from the rocks, watch from the rocks. Go on the left side.
Δεν χρειάζεται να παίρνετε τα βουνά για να τρέφεστε υγιεινά.
All Organic Market. Τεράστια ποικιλία από βιολογικά προϊόντα, χωρίς χημικά.
Yeah, park somewhere.
Από βιολογικές φάρμες.
Let's go walk.
Και τη γνώση του παραδοσιακού
Park here, from the bench.
All Organic Market. Χαρίστε υγεία και ευεξία σε εσάς και την οικογένειά σας. Κολονακή 16, απέναντι από το γυμνάσιο της Όβετρας. Τηλέφωνο 25 58 76 70.
Yeah, so we just stopped for a walking trail. Look what we found. You know, just walking through the woods and everything. Just, you know, like here.
Maybe we'll find some marijuana here.
Yeah. Don't say shit like that. We go to jail for that shit.
YouTube canal.
Yeah. Should I censor it or not? We are good boys. We don't smoke shit.
Yeah, but it should be legal.
That's enough.
My opinion.
Your opinion. This is fucking nice. No. Just walking through the woods. Look at the bark of this thing, right? Look how
So brown.
yeah, it's so brown and it's so soft and everything. Look. M-A-T-T, matte. So
Do like this.
write our names.
It's full green.
Yeah, write our names then. Like Danny, my name is fucking long. Yeah, and Christos. Chris.
Wanna go off the beaten path?
Sorry? Yeah, here you go. Nice one. Okay. What else can we see here?
It smells so good.
Yeah, it smells like flowers and shit.
And shit.
And shit.
Flowers and shit.
Yeah, the flowers and shit. You know, it will be funny to find a bear over here, wouldn't it be? Chris? Wouldn't it be fun to find a bear over here? Or wolf?
LSD, you'll see bears.
What?
If you do LSD, you'll see bears.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't make the ice bucket challenge last time, remember? Yo, I think we should turn around.
Why?
I have to go to the other place, at the waterfalls. Where, yeah man, but we're spending our time here, and you know, after that it's 4 o'clock. We have to have enough time. Sorry?
Let's go to this corner and then we...
Okay. Just around the corner. This is hell nice. Look there. But everything is so dry and shit, you know. Sorry for saying shit a lot. We turn around. Let's just go back and here. Yeah, it's nice. Let's take the shortcut. I mean, like this.
No.
It's dangerous. You think it's dangerous or something? Okay, guys. So see you when we get back to the car. Or better yet, we are going to film where we get back there at the waterfalls. Christos almost fell.
We're gonna cut that.
Yes, I'm going to cut it. Yeah, we just got here to the waterfalls. This is the beginning of them. My friend is going to climb up there. It's a fucking steep climb. He thinks he's a gorilla. Look at him. He's like Superman. Go, Chris, grow. Huh? You're getting dizzy. It's easy. Yeah. Hey, don't throw that fucking rock at me. Maybe it's fucking unstable. Don't fucking play with that. Hey, Chris. Hey, Chris. Hey, don't fucking play with that rock. Hey, don't fucking play with that fucking rock. I swear I'm going to leave you here alone. I'm fucking filming you. Picture. Hey guys, just got at the waterfalls. Check this out. I know what you were expecting, something more, but in this time of the year we will not get a bigger waterfalls. Let me just get closer.
Nice.
Very nice, man. This is so great. More climbing. Like I didn't have enough. Fuck. I'm fucking tired. Shit. So we're finally here. Our objective for today is complete. High five, man. We made it. We just walked around 3 kilometers to get here on foot. Oh my god, the cold air that is coming from that water. Yeah, I just closed it by mistake. The cold air that is coming from this waterfall is just like amazing. And just imagine that there are 17 degrees outside and like 10 degrees around this waterfall, so this is just fucking amazing. Clean air though. Peace, brother. Peace. This is great, man.
Yeah. One day I will climb the river.
You wanna?
No, now I'm gonna climb up.
No, we have stairs to go up. On top of the shit. On top of the shit. Come with me. Okay, so we'll go on top of the waterfalls then. Yeah, so we are on top of the hill, the waterfall, sorry. Yeah. So be amazed. This is fucking beautiful. Just look at the waterfall. I imagine what would happen to me if I fall from this height. I hope no crazy guy will come from behind me and just push me off the cliff. I guess that crazy guy is coming. Hey Chris, what's up? We were just talking about you.
About me?
Yeah, I was imagining how it would be for someone to just come and push me from the back of the cliff. Hey, don't fucking do that! I will fucking piss myself. Viene ya, eh? Go there. Viene, go there.
Dame fotografía.
I will make you a picture. Don't worry about it. Just look. Hey, just be careful not to fall. You play with your life, man. My Chris is going to throw a river into a stick into the river. He's a caveman, he says. Oh, power Chris! And here he goes! Fuck, that made a lot of noise. That made a fucking lot of noise. Hey, I only filmed you, but you didn't even offer to film me.
Opposite.
Care is it?
It was like, just be careful not to. So this is me. This is the river. The guy filming the tripod is Crystal. And we are going home. I hope you.
Now we're going home.
Yeah, he's filming the plants and I'm just talking here, you know? Just
Yeah.
so funny. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy. Just remember to like, subscribe, share the videos, favorite the video, and just live the life. Peace.